Today I will be showing how to create an ebook with ChatGPT, and sell it on Amazon Kindle store. There is a bunch of copy and pasting, so let's start there. Prompt GPT to write an ebook for you. Copy each chapter and prompt GPT to expand on them with a set amount of words or characters. This will take a little bit of time to get it all expanded out. Open Microsoft Word and copy and paste everything there too, so you have a place to start working on the layout of your ebook. Okay, next, head over to Amazon KDP website and set up an account if you haven't already. There is quite a bit to do here, so follow along with the video and you can see how it's done. I'm going to speed some things up, since there is so much to do still. Once you have an account, you are ready to start creating your ebook. Follow the next steps. Fill in all of the necessary sections with your pertinent information, and make sure you take your time and read everything thoroughly. You do not want to mess up any of these steps. You cannot fix anything after you publish. Copy and paste anything you need from ChatGPT for certain sections. Ask GPT to come up with the categories, subcategories, and keywords. You will also need a good description for your book. The description can be up to 4,000 characters long. So don't go over that amount. I also pasted in this part from the descriptions, description. It will help prompt GPT for a better answer when creating it. You're doing great. Just keep copying and pasting. We are going to be doing loads and loads of that to get this book made. It will all be worth it in the end. Once you have the description done, there is still a lot to do. Make sure you read each section so you fully understand everything that is being asked of you. You may need to do some extra research, or even full-on learning, for certain sections. There was a bunch of stuff I had to look up, and read about, before I felt comfortable checking some of these boxes too. There is a lot to cover. I kept forgetting what I just looked at, hee. Also, don't forget to double and triple check everything so you know you've filled everything out correctly. Each step of this process is very important. Okay, now that we have the first page filled out, let's move on to the next page. This is where the fun really starts. You'll want to upload your manuscript copy from Microsoft Word after it's done. Speaking of which, and I should have brought it up earlier, but you will need to use Microsoft Word, or any compatible software to work on the layout, table of contents, paragraph, and line spacing, or to add pictures to pages. You can use the cover creator to design, change, and customize your book cover. I already created mine, so we will skip that, and maybe a few other things to help keep things moving up to speed here. Alright, we are pretty much done with the second page. You will spend a lot of time getting to know these pages, so have no fear. Let's go ahead and move on to the third page. Pricing. Now we can see what we're after here. Money. Actually, first, let's jump over to Microsoft Word, and we can take a quick look at that, and then get back to that pricing info, and we will look at the royalties, and different currencies too, when we get back to it. Use Word to work on the layout of your ebook. You will upload this draft into that second page we looked at, with the manuscript section. Making the table of contents linkable is an important thing to consider. You can add pictures and links to your chapters as well. I also like to make pictures links, and to put links at the end of each chapter, to drive traffic to my other income sources. You should do something similar in your book. Alright, let's take a look at that pricing page now. You can choose what amount of royalties you want for each sale. This will differ depending on your choices. You can see there are lots of other currencies too. Make sure to do plenty of research on the market you are targeting. This will help you decide how to price your book, so you stay competitive and give these other ebook creators a run for their money. Good luck on your ebook journey. I hope this video helped. Stay tuned, or subscribe to this channel for more videos about how to make money online. There will be new videos out in the coming days and weeks. Thanks for watching.